Hello and welcome everybody. Check out this stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom new construction building built in 2023. This building has 7 condos and this one is absolutely stunning. Check out these quartz countertops. We got 9 feet ceilings with recessed lighting. As you walk in, you got open concept living room, dining room. And a private deck with these stunning views of the city. Custom blinds are yours to keep. They go up and down automatically, which is an amazing feature that I love. And now I'm going to show you the rest of the unit. Come on. To my left, you got a nice closet, coat closet. And then to my left now, because I turned around, you got a laundry stackable, and that's going to be staying. Beautiful bathroom. Deep tub. Everything's brand new. You can't really beat that. And then you have 2 bedrooms. Check out this bedroom. Great natural sunlight. Great location. You got everything East Boston has to offer. Shops, restaurants. You're close to the T. Come on in. Check out this walk-in closet. And this bedroom is so big you can fit a couch and a bed. And check out this bathroom. Absolutely stunning. Double sinks. Rainforest shower head, 9 feet ceilings. You gotta check this place out. We're gonna be doing open houses this weekend, but if you wanna see it before that, you could always send me a DM. dna-realty.com is where you get all the information. Follow us on social media. Thanks, guys.